of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of yeast. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients. Then add ½ cup of room temperature milk. Needed to make a soft dough. Can add lukewarm water if needed. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix and knead it again. Grease whole dough with oil. It should be soft. Let it rest for 2 hours. Let's make chicken filling. Add the oil and chopped onions into a pan. Fry them until translucent. Then add boiled and cured chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour. Stir it with chicken. Then add 1 cup of chicken stock. Salt 1 teaspoon. White pepper ½ teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce. Chili sauce. Mix it well. Cook on a low flame. When it becomes thick with pleasant smell, it's ready to dish out. Punch and take out all air from the prepared dough. Do the same process for a few minutes. Dust it with flour. Roll into oval shape with rolling pin. Mark the area for filling and cut the remaining sides in zigzag manners. Make sure quantity of cutting sides remains same. Fill the central area with prepared filling. Then close the bread with its edges. Side by side, take edges until all close. Use soft hands. Take 1 egg yolk for brushing. Brush the whole bread with egg yolk. Spread some kalonji seeds and white till on top. I'm excited. Looks beautiful now. Ready for bake. I have baked it into 2 equal halves because of its length, because after baking size increases. Let's cut into pieces and enjoy yummier chicken bread. Soft inside, crunchy outside. Must try at home. Thanks for watching.